Hello everybody, it is January 2nd here, and today I'm going to talk quickly about THETA. I think we're way too overextended at the moment. We're very far away from our ATMA, and I think there's a possible retracement coming on the way, especially with the Bitcoin pump that's happening at the moment. For the most part now, if we're looking at the last time we were this far away from the EMA, so if we're looking here, we measure our distance down 26% away from our closest EMA. Same thing here, right here. Last time we were that far away, it was also around 30% away, and then the next candle that we had for a correction went actually significantly down to retrace and try to touch it back. So I think at the moment right now, after we broke out of the $2 region, obviously everybody hopped on the train and started to buy it. In terms of a possible retracement, so we'll see here the stochastic RSI is all the way in the bottom, indicating that we would probably have a couple more candles trying to pump here, but it already had its initial over sold region, indicating that hey, this is gonna pump up. But in terms of the RSI, we peaked previously here and now we're at this level, so it's not showing any signs of retracement in terms of the RSI, but definitely in terms of the volume here, we're closing within the next 6 hours and we're halfway through the previous day volume, meaning that I think after like 6 hours here won't really be enough for us to have a higher volume here to go. MACD is definitely overextended too. No signs of it coming down, just too extended. And one thing I wanted to show you was the level 2 order books in the depth chart here. I'm seeing a lot of limit sell orders, much more than the buy orders, and I think a lot more sellers are expecting this to go. So along the way up to the $3 region, there's going to be a lot of resistance that we will have, especially with low buy volume at the moment. We don't look like it's just simple economics. Low amount of buying versus a lot of selling causes the price to go down. And even if I'm looking here, so if we go to all the selling between between the what we have right now, 2.37, which we're trying to push towards, all the way up to the $3. On average, we're looking like our resistance would be somewhere here, if you can see, at somewhere at the 2.68 average, where most of the people here are trying to sell. And then in terms of buying, if we go all the way down to the $2, looks like we have 2.7 at 2.27 is where the average is leading down here. So if we look back our chart here, and we maybe go down to the 1 hour, extend this a bit. So we broke out of the $2, went sideways, retested, and now we actually broke above this high we had before. So that's why a lot of people actually tried to go in here. I think some people are starting to sell soon. If we look here, we just had a MACD crossover, so we could be looking at another leg up somewhere, maybe to that to the $2.6 region, based on what we got from our sell orders. And yeah, I think we will probably go all the way there. If compared to the RSI here, it's oversold, overbought, sorry, stochastic is in the overbought region, so we might not even get the chance to go all the way up there, just because the sell volume, people start to realize that hey, we do have a lot of sell limit orders there, so you know what, maybe it's not worth it to jump onto this here. Maybe let's just have a quicker retracement or a drop and then enter at a better price, right? Volume is kind of flattening out, or it's decreasing. We have 4 minutes for the 1 hour candle to close at a lower volume. And yeah, I think now if we go back maybe to the 30-minute to see something closer, yeah, we broke above it and closed, and some people tried to get in, but I think a possible retracement here soon is possible. On the 30 minutes showing us the overbought conditions, on the 1 hour showing us the overbought conditions. I'm not sure about the 4 hour here. Maybe if we go back, RSI is in the overbought region, but the stochastic RSI is in the bottom, so indicating maybe we might have another pump here or a sideways action, but we could have a pump back up here. So it just fully depends on how those levels hold, or if the 2.3 level holds. So now if we take the maybe the Fibonacci retracement tool, just to see if we do end up a retracement, maybe somewhere around this level, let's say, the first Fibonacci retracement would be somewhere around the $2, which makes sense. But most importantly, on the one day chart, the fact that we are so far away, and we know that the 8 EMA, we love having supported the 8 EMA. The 8 EMA right now, let's say if we have another candle coming soon here after the 6-hour closes, we could be looking also at the $2 region. I mean, the EMA will probably keep going up to here and then rest somewhere here, and this is where our price target would be. So for retracement, I think this is a very good support if we do end up retracing, but I would not be surprised if we actually go all the way down here and have somewhere of a 15, 16, 17% drop. So let me know what you think. Let me know if I missed anything, and please comment, like, share, and subscribe, and thank you for watching.